Look at all these Tesla cars. What? Yo, look at all these cars. Wow, this actually looks, what? Whose is this? I like that color. I like the color. This is nice. It's hard to see it this time. But that is sweet. It's like an emerald green almost. Man, that's like my dream wrap color right there. Whew, killed it. Nice. Wow, look at this. Look at the convoy of cars just coming in. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Nice. All right. Damn. So this is a little behind the scenes here, setting up for the light show. We are out here in Frederick, Maryland. Oh snap. Look at how many Tesla cars are just pulled up.
Alright, you good?
Yeah, do you need any help?
Just keeping everybody straight.
Yeah, let me... Alright. Look at all this behind the scenes action, all the stuff that hard work is going in. Shout out to the Tesla Maryland team right here, doing it real big. Wow, look at just Tesla cars till you can't see. Wow, nuts. All right, I think I know that guy.
We gotta use this back row. Looks like we may have 2 rows of access. So
time to go live.
There. Okay.
All right.
I recognize this car.
That's a nice jacket you got, man.
Thank you.
Jacket's coming soon. Jacket's coming soon.
Well, let's not get too excited now. We get more members, then we can make some shake.
Everyone sign up that's watching this video. Please sign up for Tesla Maryland members ASAP.
You should have printed QR codes.
We got some. They're on the, there's one on the table.
Look at the hard work these guys are putting in, and shout out to them. Because, yeah, look at how many cars are over here. Do we have a count? Do you know?
Registered, it was 150.
What? 150? That is nuts. All right, it's time to go live. All right, we are officially live. Nice. This is nuts. I almost want to like just go up to like the front of the line. And
Perfect with the super moon.
yeah, that is really, that's something. Some of these shots I'm gonna like edit some audio over.
Okay.
I think so, because I've got like an hour's worth of footage over here at this point.
Yeah, you have to
So,
do reels and.
my buddy has actually brought his nice camcorder, and he's in here somewhere doing the, he's holding it, you know.
Reels. Oh,
He's
I
doing
see.
this, yeah.
I
He's,
think I saw him.
yeah, so he's doing his thing. I'm gonna actually get, that's the real footage. So this is just the background, behind the scenes. All right, a lot going on here. Nice. Oh, is this an S? We're starting the S's. Are we starting the S's?
Yep.
Or? Oh, okay. So many models. Where are the Ys? They, I guess.
You can't miss the white. There's hundreds.
I can't even, where does this start? Oh my gosh. All right, it's time to get the behind the scenes officially. Wow, look at all these Teslas. Which one is mine? I honestly don't know. Okay, I put a drink on top of mine.
You better.
I put a drink.
Don't get too far.
Yeah, I put a drink on top of mine, so I know. I'm like, hold on, that one's mine. Wow, here we are.
Time I drive my Tesla, it says software update ready.
Yeah, everyone here got FSD today. Is that right? Farhan, yeah. Yeah, what's going on?
Sorry, messed up your name.
That's okay, I'm making a little behind the scenes video over here.
Sure, yeah.
So we're just getting set up.
Exchange numbers so you can send that to me as well.
Absolutely. I have one of my friends is holding a proper camera and he's doing the real
No,
stuff.
I really enjoyed, you know, when you were enthusiastic, the car lines, you know, are moving, and you're
Yeah.
outside and you're trying to take pictures. That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm very, you know, this is nuts. I think I'll come back around. I'm just gonna try to get some video going on around here. Damn, this is cool. We got the LED lights going inside. What's going on, guys? What's happening? Nice. There's a lot. What is this? Oh, they got the camera. Is it 360 cam?
Yeah.
Oh, that is what I'm talking about. They are doing it right. Okay. Nice. Wow, he is playing video games in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is this John?
Having fun.
Oh, this is John. Nice. How about that? What's happening?
He just
Hey, what's going on?
Yeah.
I went live. We
Oh, you
got
were
John
live?
over here. We're making some behind the scenes footage.
You finally met John's wife?
Yeah.
He uses his car.
Yeah, he's all over my channel actually.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, so I
And he
use,
never shuts up in your videos.
I use
Are you
him
ever?
as my test subject actually because he's like the perfect person to figure out is this stuff worth it or not.
FSD again, so we can do some.
I know. I need you to
I'm
just
so
get your own
excited for
channel at this point now, man. I think it's time, man.
Did you
Seriously.
hear why it's
That's a nice
staged this
hat.
way? Because they're going to be like flowing like.
No, I haven't even made it to the
Yeah,
front yet.
They're
I'm-
not going all at the same time. They're going to be waved.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's sick. So my buddy's got the nice camera. I gotta find him.
Oh, with the gyroscope.
You
thing.
saw that? Yeah. So I gotta find him.
I saw him earlier.
Yeah, I don't know where he is. I'm gonna. Oh, he's right there.
Yeah.
There he is.
Oh yeah, he's talking to the
Oh,
rap
perfect,
guy.
perfect,
Oh,
perfect.
dude, he's gonna wrap my car in satin black and put Darth Vader.
Didn't I tell you?
Do all my.
The spaceship wraps,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
That's dude.
I have a Mandalorian. on
Nice.
my
Look,
seat,
he's playing video games in here.
So
Okay.
it's a.
Oh, very cool. Very cool. Wow. Look at this. Wow. I love it. This is epic. Oh my gosh. Cheers. What is happening? Yeah. Hello, hello. Excuse me. Hello, hello. Nice truck, nice truck. This one yours?
Yes, sir.
All right. Very cool. Just making some behind the scenes footage over here. Wow. Hello, hello. Oh, oh, we brought some dogs. Nice. Hello, doggy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm gonna like tell you. I'm gonna tell you today more like how people come
What up?
Yeah.
Oh, so here's the Model Y. Okay.
Yeah, here's the Ys,
I was
yeah.
wondering where they start. Very nice. Very nice.
What, is that the end of the line? I hope so.
It never ends. Oh, it does end.
There it is.
It does end. Oh my gosh. The end of the line.
There's like a part next to it, like that's the wireless part stuck in there, so.
What's happening? Oh, we got the megaphone over here. Are you running that through the car?
No.
No?
Battery powered.
Oh, well, you could run it through the car.
Yeah.
If you wanted to. Nice. That's smart. We needed that. That's thinking outside the box here. All right. Nice.
Want to make sure that when these last few cars come in and park, that you're next to your car, so when they hand out the USBs, you're there.
Oh, good call. Good call. Next to the cars. All right. Enough behind the scenes.
Franny.
What's going on? Oh, wow. Insta 360. Smart man. He's got the 360 going. Very nice. All right. Where's Falik? There he is. All right. Hello. Excuse me.
Hi.
What's happening? Excuse me.
Hi.
Hello, hello. Partying. What's happening behind the scenes? Behind the scenes. What up? All right, this one I'm gonna cut. This one I'm gonna keep live. Hold up.